I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1 and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up. Let's navigate here by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let me choose here the Fastboot, the second option. And as you can see, the device is in Fastboot mode, so now you can use it. If you would like to quit the Fastboot mode, let's press power key for a couple of seconds. Now you can release power key and let's wait until the phone boots into a normal mode. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.